Aloha Kako. Today we have air products and chemicals. So they are sponsoring the American Welding Society, and it's called the Air Products Women of Gases and Welding Scholarship. Let's look at the eligibility. Kind of a lot. So you have to be 18 years of age or older. You'll need your high school diploma. You'll have to be a U.S. citizen. And plan to attend an academic institution located within a specific state. Eligible candidates will be female, so financial need is not required, but priority will be given to those who demonstrate your financial need, and that is through your FAFSA. Um, you'll have to be enrolled in a 2-year or 4-year welding-related educational program. You must submit all required application information. You'll need a 2.5 GPA on a 4.0 scale. You'll have to be enrolled full-time, and the award is only made one time to a student. Applicants may not reapply, so the award amount is for $2,500. Now, we go here, scholarship application. It'll pull up a different tab. You can go ahead and register. The deadline for these is March 1st. Of course, I'm going to put this in the description box down below. You're going to want to recheck this. So if you're a woman who is like into welding, please go ahead and apply for this scholarship. But also they have so much more. I highly recommend if you want to get into this. So I just click scholarships and you can go ahead and look through them. This isn't even like a complete. If you need any contact information, just click contact us, or you can chat live. Also, just to give you a better idea, I'm gonna just click on national scholarships, and then let's check out. So you see this long line of scholarships. Yeah, this is available to you. So go ahead, apply for this. Good luck and mahalo for watching.